কি গম নাপায় নাকি? মই ওলেতো লগাই দিলা।
Tuna yan tura chu kan thleng ta a hei tura chan mari veng ania an field sasalai sa chan mari veng playground chan hei he lai sumo kan chuan na ni hi a chuan in tura hi kan voi khat kal na nia khen tur kan shelawa kan jong sam don ni chu in tur om lo chuan in hei an chan mar chuan in hei an chan mari field e ki kit lai khen in tur om mai thei kan kal lok te ang tuna hi mi ron pick up tu tur kan hak me ka kan chan pa Anthony yan min lo bai pi tu tur min arrange saka chuan chan Anthony zunga kan nom em ani chuan in aron kal do na ala ron thleng lo dewa chu mi chung chuan ei tur kan lo leng e chuan hei akhom dan te himo kiu treu tok antenna in lian pui angir khup than lo ta a thol ani chu at least helai veng ta la hi hei kan mu chin ala ni ta hei chu chan mari mo kan mu chin ala ni ta ni chu chan so salai son school no pang ho te pon om hei hi an playground open public ta na an khona ni karing son du ta ni hel so school no pang ho pon oma thuk chau ve tlang ram pang ai veng kha ni ta ma se ai zol te mizoram te ai tho chon ni la tha zok ta kal tha ka tiom za chu alarm chang zo kan ni chu mo chuanin hei min ron pick up ta kan thian pa tarin mo thian pa tharin khen na tur min zon pi don ni chu kan zong chop tua hei
Island this word na
khir luk tuk kan ya wat
oh you
what mizo word are you
Island this word mizo word
what
kamang ache
okay
That is very common.
yeah so what does it mean
huh
do you know the meaning
I think it's a bit romantic
yeah
so I feel shy but I made a mistake we have come a wrong way it happens with me all the time we have to go back
what do you mean you have to go back
wrong direction
this is the wrong direction
yeah.
oh okay
We were talking too much.
oh yeah that's right that's the problem no? It's okay
kan thlen na tur hai kan en hasak ber hai hi homestay pakhatania this is Chanmari area na okay Chanmari chuan annexa kan en le ang hei athanom cha lo om boka chuan heta hang kan kalanga vai ching tre pani tra an eng lo ti dan vel te ki tra ma jate ta han hei no hey Thomas hi Anthony now and hi Thomas thank you so much for receiving us today Thomas hi min pui char akari min lo hma ka mo khu ta khwan Chanmari playground a khan min lo hma ka chuan tu na hian kan thlen tur min en pui leng ha char ni chu khan nei kan buk dok do lawa chan chu kan la kal ngai lo na ramani wangin hei han check de kher duang chi kha kan ni tla ta tun trom chu mo chuan hei alaram hnuai tap khi ram hnuai kara kan omani chu this is the city this is the city of Tura no
So the thing is, their ego is so big that they don't even think for the younger generations.
Brother, do you think that separate administration will completely resolve the Manipur issue?
No,
No.
because things have, the ground
Already
root
too
is
complicated,
already
huh?
burned. It's already burned, and when it burned, it caused so many roots to deteriorated, and to fix that, it has to. It will come around 10 to 20.
Decades, it will
Yeah,
take.
10-20 years, it has to be remended again. So.
Mi hi an veng hi aramel kan aramel veng lo ruta. Welcome to upper Kamipara. Welcome to upper Kamipara ni kan tur kan song le don an ni mi veng a hian
I learned so many bad words from my friends.
Former chief minister. So, Sangmas are doing something, Maraks are doing the other one.
Kan hotel sen na tur hai hi foi palina tur tra palina tur ya palina
You are the tour guide.
palina tur don tin ko sorry oi nam ka in chui ra foi he coming kha kan kal tur kha
Rickman.
ma
Rickman less.
sundare le man oh okay so an hetlahi an market hey amain hub a khop lai liber oh kan sai on street ang chini chu nge kha an bazar mun omna sorry an bazar area ni hi ti to me ang dang lai area zong hi bazar area ve kan ya he ta chuk chawa phaya he ta anh ka ve noi chuan in motor po tam lai chumo abeng chang de lek bok len san hey hi sundare hotel hi ta tura chuan in an hotel an hotel chuan ve ber ang kha ni chumo so sa kan en sin te ang
Ice cream.
normal ice cream this is a jackfruit right
Flavor,
This is popular in Garo Hills.
popular in Garo Hills and it's local produce local made
Local flavor also.
local flavor it's very tasty
Sweetener.
hey very tasty no artificial sweetener huh
Just pure love. Is it?
I mean it's not
Organic.
yeah super I mean at least the taste from the taste nokma jackfruit huh
Thank you sis for the ice cream.
hey
Good.
yeah ito nga schoolan ba nga darin sa niya ina mo 3 p.m. huh yeah 3 it's 3 hey ang school uniform ni yang to sama hey garo tura kolai kan hotel kan na kan sang sai ta chu wang sang kan chen du na tak kan le bang hong don ta ni chu chuan hei kan thlen na chu ni ta ni chu mo hei aramail venga nia aramail venga hian mayflower in ti omta anuam tok to pani chu aru ma thiang lima a decent a thiang lima a simple bok ta chuan homestay ni ber mai chu chuan hei ta han thingpui kan in do nei tla hi kitchen